inaano ni daddy mo paano kunin ang ticket. Ayan. Ang daming Canada Goose! Ito siguro yung sinasabi nilang ano, Dexy, o yung bass. Ayan. Grabe ang ano. Dexy, tinan mo, nakikita mo usok? Parang usok no, nag-evaporate ka agad. Kitang-kita mo, oh my God. Nakakatawa siya, ayan, oh. Yan, nag-evaporate ka agad. Parang clouds nga siya. Ayan guys, oh. Kita nyo? Oh, nag-evaporate. Para siyang usok from that falls. Yan, mag-tunnel din kami tomorrow. Yung passes ang problema namin, paano namin makuha. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan yung mist niya, oh. Talagang mamayang hapon ng konti. Pahinga lang. See, that's our itinerary, right?
Oo, nakarami siya.
Ayan siya. Oh my goodness. Super nice. Yeah, ang guluhan lang siguro kung saan talaga magandang ano, magpa-picture. Dito, oh, dami tao din, no? Yeah. Hindi nagsa din siya ng tao kahit maulan. Although today is Thursday pa lang, dami din tao. How much more kapag weekends?
Oh, Thursday pa lang yun.
Yeah, kaya binook namin tomorrow yung cruise natin para hindi sobrang daming tao sa weekends. Ah, ito yung Sheraton, iba din. Ayan, hotel din yan eh. So ito yun, ito yung Skylon Tower. They call it Skylon Tower. Ayan, just sharing our view, guys.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
So, ayan yung mist niya. What? Wow! Akala ko ulan to. Ayan siya, oh. Yeah, I know. Ayan, oh. Para siyang ulan. Ayun, galing yung ano dito, oh. Siyempre, hinangin siya, eh. Yan, so dito siya papunta. Ayan, oh. Nakikita nyo yan, yan. Kita sa Ray. Oh, kaya pala yung restaurant na yan. Ano sila, naambunan sila. Wala, basa sila to.
Ano nangyari dito, sir?
Basa sila. Batayin mo muna. Queen Victoria Place Gift Shop. Kaya pala din yung bintana din nila, may mga harang silang, ano, ayan, oh. Oh my, mababasa din ako, tay. Ayan. Basa tayo, guys. Parang ulan siya.
Gusto yung windows niya nababasa?
Yes. Ganito siya, parang ulan siya kasi nga yung hangin nito, hangin niya dito. Ayan, oh. Ano siyang ulan. Pero actually, hindi ulan. Hindi umuulan. Kasi bandang dito, hindi naman naulan yung bandang dito niya. Ay, ganito pa. Oh, that's why, ano kayo, may kakapote ka talaga here. Pag naulanan ka, yan, oh.
Depende kung saan siya nahangin.
I know.
Kung na time yan dito siya.
Yeah.
Hindi lagi basado yung area.
Ditong area na to. Yeah, kaya pala sabi ko pat basa. So, papunta na lang kami ng hotel namin. Ayan, naglakad kami ni Dexy kasi punta kami dun sa center. Ayan na, nakita namin. Ay, gunin namin yung passes. So, ganito pala siya. Dito pala galing yung tubig na yun. Oh my, Diyos ko. Ito, oh. So, calm pa siya dito. Papunta dito kay Dexy. Calm yung tubig. So, ganito yung tubig din niya. Aray ko. Ayan. Nagkaskas tuloy ako. Yan, so, ito yung falls, eh. So, ayan. Ang ganda. let's go. Let's make it fast. So dito nga galing yun. Doon kasi yung center, di ba, baby? Ay, no. Sige, lakad muna kami. Balikan namin to maybe tomorrow afternoon. Yan, kapag may mga passes na kami. So, dito kami pinapunta, Table Rock Center. Yan. Sa aming passes na kinuha online. Let's see. Ganito pala siya. Parang mall. Okay, let's go. So, ganito itsura niya. Okay. So, we can go here tomorrow for food. It's like mall ata nila to. So, eto, binook kasi namin yung passes namin online. So, ito yung ginawa ni Dex dito sa Niagara Park. So, I don't know kung nakikita nyo, but ito yun. So, sa online, I think mas mababa siya compared mo kapag dito mo bibilhin. Parang ganun.
It looks like they have a promotion going on right now, 40%. Even online.
Congratulations. Niagara Falls View. Yan. Ito yung papuntang hotel namin. So, first 2 nights namin sa Marriott. So, magkatabi lang to. Ito yung embassy, Dad.
First 2 nights?
Yes.
Marriott?
Yeah, and then dito ang...
Dito mag
2 nights din sa embassy?
Yeah. So, 2 nights ang ginawa namin ni Dexie para we can enjoy both hotel.
And we won't have to like rush our packing.
Yes. So, ito yung papunta. After namin kinuha yung passes. So, ayan. So, binili namin yung passes online, which is, anong pumunta kami doon, naka-discount din pala siya, which is good. At least, 40%, right? Yeah.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yeah. So, ito yung Embassy Suites, which is, lilipat tayo dyan sa 12 and 13. Yeah, dito muna tayo ngayon, 10 and 11. Falls View ang kinuha nating hotel din.
Maglakad lang nga tayo pababa siguro.
Let's see kung paano. Hindi na kailangan ng...
Hindi yung Falls View and Spa. Iba yan.
Oo, iba yan?
Ito Friday,
Fridays. Yeah, pwede tayo mamayang kumain dyan.
Sister, ano yun?
Burger lang ata din yun.
No, they have also pasta. Let's try.
It's their sister,
Marriott Falls View.
Oh, so, hindi yan. Ito ata tayo. Marriott na isa.
yeah, Marriott by the Falls.
By the
That's
falls.
Which one?
Dito, ito yan. Ito yan tayo. This
This
is the
one,
Marriott. Yeah. Yeah. So, ito siya. Pero malapit tong ano na to, Dex.
Hindi, ito
Same lang.
magandang view niyo.
Oh, I see. Ito. So, ito yung hotel namin for 2 nights. So, Marriott on the Falls to. Dito sa Niagara. Yan. So, mag-check-in muna kami. Late na nga kami mag-check-in. It's already 5, magsi-6 na. So, sobrang pagod namin. Na-delay kasi. Yeah, I know, baby. Sorry about that. Kanina ka pa maingay eh. Hindi lang kita nabibidyohan eh. Sorry about that.
I'm so excited.
Yes, I know.
Ma, do you know what I rate Dexter's
Yeah.
performance? 10 out of 10, baby talk. She's turning 6 tomorrow. Ganyan pa.
Sige na. Ano muna tayo? Halika muna. Mag-inquire tayo. Ayan. So, mag-check-in na kami.
Just put this one here. Nobody gonna have them.
Thank you. Yeah. Yes. So, yeah, it's okay, Daddy. We have to wait for you here. Yes, we will wait for you here. Wait natin si Daddy nyo here. Sit-down muna tayo. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, I know. Sorry about that, Dexa. Yeah. Information. They have Starbucks here. Wait ka namin. And then they have the lobby. Okay. I think tama naman yung ano nila na yung Dexy. Yung kanilang passes.
I think, Mom, we should use a wave so that we don't have to pay for parking.
Wigo? Ano? No. Let's see. Marriott, loob niya. So, vlog ko lang konti before we will go here. Saan ba yung kanyang registration? I think ito. So, here ata siya. Okay. I think we can go there sa last. Okay. Wanan nyo na ako. So, ito daw ang room namin. Ang aming tour guide ngayon ay si Dexa, ang birthday girl. So, what's your room number?
2511.
2511. So, ata yung pinakataas daw, sabi. Oh, okay. No, what they call this one? Okay. So, dito kasi nakikita dito sa side na to. Okay, go. Surprise! Okay. Ay. Oh. Di niya mabuksan. Closing your eyes. I will close my eyes, guys.
Did you guys already put the water in?
Okay.
Only water.
Oh, they put some water. Wow! That's the one that we paid. Saan? Hoy, Dexa! Saan? Ito na. Ito ang binayaran natin, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
I see the end of the rainbow.
Yeah, I know.
I see a rainbow. It's just 3 colors.
Oh.
The rainbow.
At may rainbow pa. Ayan, oh. Yeah.
Oh, yan yung ferry niya. Oh.
Oh, yes.
There's the dock right there.
Where's the duck?
Right over there.
Ayun. Doon
On the
banda.
other side?
Right.
Ayun, nasa baba niya.
Yeah.
Doon naka-red.
Yes. Oh, yan ang... pupunta talaga dito. Sa falls. May falls din doon, pero ang bagsak niya hindi ganun kaano.
Ito talaga yung Niagara Falls.
Oo, ito talaga. Ito talaga.
The Horseshoe
Ayan.
Falls.
Kailangan niya i-dig yun.
Ayan.
That's the Horseshoe Falls, right?
Yeah. They have to dig that to make it like, yung sobrang kagaya nito na falls. Ayan. Oh my goodness. Ito ang view na binayaran natin sa ating hotel.
We were talking, do you want to just go on the Wigo para and then tayo bibili
Yan.
ng mga car
Yeah.
it's like it's
We go from here?
I don't know, that's the thing. No, I think we I can double
Yes.
check their map.
So, yan. We booked a 2 queen bed. Yeah, so ito. And then, as usual naman ang mga hotels,
The Bible.
they have,
sarap uminom nito. Tapos
you call this one, parang yung table niya, same na. Here, yung iba kasi separate pa yan.
Look, dito ako
We
mag
have also a separate table here. Maybe if you want to order your food. Yeah. Yan.
I want to look at the food.
Guys, I'm in draw.
Yes.
I'm
I think you have to put that one, Dexy.
Hindi na pala kailangan natin
Bixie.
pumunta dun.
Dito, ata, pa ganyan. Yeah, sorry.
Can I
Yan.
draw?
Or that one? No? Okay, that's too... Yeah, you can draw. Yeah.
Hindi na natin pala kailangan pumunta dun.
Saan? No, it's different naman kasi super, naman, near. Yan. So, ito yung hotel namin. So, as usual, they have TV here. Let's open the TV. Wala ba to yung welcome? Ganun-ganun sa atin? Wala ba? And may mga TV guide sila. So, napaka, lang neto, no? Comfy. And they call it, what do you call it? No, they call it, minimalistic. Yan.
I like the beer. You can take such nice photos.
Yeah, they can take.
Time to watch.
Yeah. Hey, Dexa, we're not here to watch.
Look, Sally.
Ayan, so itutuloy ko ang vlog ko. Minimalistic lang yung ganito nila. Yan, nakita nyo naman. And then, they have also here yung kanilang parang pinaka-bar. So, ayan, coffee. They have cups here too. Coffee maker. Dalawang tubig. Dalawang tubig. I think they have their mini fridge here. Oh, yeah, I know. Is this?
I think it's all like this. Yes, the fridge.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Okay. Dexa, don't ask for anything, okay?
I want milk.
No, we cannot buy. So, napakasimple lang din ng kanyang washroom. Which is, may ganito lang siyang area. Then, shower. Hindi pala to, hindi pala to bathtub. And then, sa baba pala yung pools, which is, kay Dexy ko lang narinig. Kanina, hey! Doing my vlog! Yeah. Okay. So, yun daw. Ang pool pala is nasa baba. So, ilagay na natin tong towel na to dito. Okay. Privacy! Okay, ilagay ko pa ganyan. So, yun. So, napaka-simple din. It's usual na mga style ng mga hotels. So, dito yung mga damit. Mamaya i-arrange namin. Pahinga lang muna kami ng konti. Then the washroom. And then, ang pinakamaganda yung view na itong hotel namin. Yeah. Dexa, you have to change. Okay? To change first.
So I can go in the pool?
So do we
Yes.
go swimming before or later na lang sa
What happened to Betty? Oh my God. Ito yung Betty niya na hindi niya maiwan-iwan. Andito siya. Ito talaga mahal niya to eh. Sige. Ano mo na? Love mo na si Betty. Yan. So, kanina hindi kami nagsabay-sabay to. Ba't naiiwan mo ako, Dexa? Iniwan nila ako. Nagsara na yung pintuan.
Because you're not quick
Yan.
to say
Say
down.
hi, guys! Ay, kita tayo! Say hi! Malamig kaya si ate ay naka-sweater. Although yung sweater namin na doon sa sakyan. Ay, ang gaganda oh! Kitang-kita na natin to! Live! Dexa, right?
And then
So yan, magdi-dinner kami. I think it's, what's the time guys? It's 7:30. Parang ganun na. Yeah, 8 o'clock na pala. Aww.
we seem tired, but
Yeah.
if we seem tired, we are just a little bit tired, right?
Tapos habulin namin kasi yung habulin namin yung swimming pool around hanggang 11. Oh yeah, it's so tight. Tapos 10 yung fireworks. Kaya nga eh. So just roaming around here.
Every night may fireworks.
Yeah, may fireworks, pero at least we can view that one every night kasi yan lang tayo dito eh. Yeah, so saglitin lang natin kumain guys. Well, we're here kasi babalik ka agad tayo sa hotel just to do our swimming maybe. Saglit, tight na nga eh. Kasi busog pa kayo. Yeah, dyan yung Hershey's na yan. Ayan. Ayan, so ito lang yung nakita ni Dexy na meron daw ramen. It's Taku Sushi. Dito yan sa Niagara. So let's try na. Try lang namin kasi nga sushi gusto kasi namin. Although there's a lot of restaurant dyan sa nearby. Mayroon silang mga ibang steakhouses and mostly fast food. Pero try lang namin din here. Yeah. Try lang namin. Masarap. This is the entrance. This one. Yeah. Try natin. So this is taku, sushi, and ramen. Yan. Medyo ano kasi kami yung gusto namin ng sabaw kasi nga parang naghilo-hilo pa kami sa biyahe namin. So ito siya. Ito yung kanilang placed. Yes. Naudlot ang ramen. Matagal ang service daw nila doon. Matagal ang order mo na maibigay kasi ang dami nilang order kanina. Siguro may mga take out din kaya ganun. So yun lang, bumalik kami dito. Oh, they have gongcha here.
It's a Ferris wheel.
Yeah. You saw that? They have water park too. So ikot-ikot kami kung saan kami makarating at makabili ng food. It's 8 na. At marami kaming hahabulin ngayon. Like 10 PM, fireworks, and swimming ni Dexa. Gagalaitin na mag-swimming. Yes, oh, parang may mga...
Stampede.
Stampede.
Subway.
Oh, meron din silang ganito, Speedy. Ano, meron parang Niagara Speedy, ganun. Yeah, Speedway, yeah. Okay, ano pa ba? Maghanap kami kung saan kami makakakain. Gusto sana namin ng sabaw. Kaso lang, yun yan. Naudlot. Wala bang ano kainan dito ng Pinoy?
Popeyes.
Oo, do you like that?
You guys want chicken?
Chicken. Eh, mahirap at ang parking. Yun ang problema ni daddy niyo ngayon. Kasi everything is, although may mga paid parking naman ata sila dyan. Ito yung Denny's for the breakfast. Meron din sila yun. Yeah. Meron din silang, ano no. Ito yung Courtyard Marriott naman siya. Marriott din pero Courtyard. Pero hindi ata to dun sa falls. Yeah. So ganito dito, parang maliit lang naman siya. Kaso lang, pero bago kami, hindi namin kabisado kung saan. Although it helps talaga na meron kaming na-rent na car.
Turn left.
Yeah. Kahit yung mga ganito sana, masarap sanang mag-try, pero hindi nga natin,
Yan, gusto mo din siya?
ano dad, mala na tayong oras kasi it will take time. Yeah.
Yun, nakita ko yan, pero yun, hindi ko lang, pinili kasi wala na nga time.
Ay, nag-struggle kami guys. Kana ikot-ikot kami kung saan kakain. So, may mga nakita kaming una, yung sushi na yun. Ang tagal ng order. Siguro it takes time for us. Mga 1 hour, ganun siguro. Tapos, umikot naman kami sa may bandang gusto namin kumain sa... Where is that, Dexy? Sa Fridays. Problema naman, walang parking. So, napunta na naman kami dito sa ano... sa Tim's Auto kasi may parking siya. So parang madaling mag-order.
Order here?
Yeah, let's see kung ano i-order na lang natin. Uwi kaming Luhaan. Nakapag-Tim's ulit. Tim's kami sa Calgary. Tim's pa rin ang kinain. Ano nilang magutom. Ang hirap pala dito ng parking. No? Yeah. So tomorrow tingnan namin kung sa hotel na lang kami mag-order ng food. Yeah. And then, yeah. That's it. Yeah. Just sharing guys. Nag-waste pa kami dahil yan lang kaso lang yung daan nga. Baka maligaw si daddy.
Sa Waze, how many minutes? It's like 1 minute away.
Ang mahirap nga kung saan liliko si daddy mo kaya doon siya nalilito. Oh, ano yun?
In 200 meters, turn left.
If AIs could judge us, they would be judging us.
Careful ka dad. Ayan, Marriott on Hotel na to eh.
Milestones Grill and Bar. Yan yung
Turn left.
Sa Marriott. Milestones Grill and Bar.
Ang
Is that?
Niagara at night.
I saw there was this building said Quebec.
Ang lakad-lakad. Malamig. Mahangin at malamig sa labas.
I'm walking like a bum.
What's your whip? What's your nene? Nene. Saan si ate? Ate, ang hangin! So, ito yung swimming pool nila here. Ay, hindi na ako mag-video kasi bawal dito. Pero ito nga siya. Bar. Yung... So, ito lang kukunin ko kasi nga bawal dito. Yeah, let's go. While Dexy is doing the swimming, yan, ay malapit ka na mag-debut, Dexy. Dahil kailangan mo ng matutong maglakad sa hagdanan ng paakyat. Yeah. Yeah. So, Milestone Grill. This is a grill bar. Yeah. Oh, there's the fireworks.
Oh. It's over that way, so like the falls are right over here, but it's not like under Horseshoe Falls itself. It's over there.
Okay, fireworks time, guys. Thank you, Ate, for taking that video for us.
They're so cute.
Ano yung fireworks niya?
Yeah, it's there. Wow.
Ano yung kulay ng ano yan na yan?
Kind of white. This guy.
So cute. You see the color of that waterfalls too.
Yeah, that's what I was like, what's that
Dexa, what color is
Yeah,
that?
it's different colors.
Yellow,
It's rainbow.
No, it's not rainbow. It's yellow, blue, red.
Wow.
Oh, minute.
Every day we do.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
it's
10.
until
Unless like it's raining or something.
live from Marriott Niagara Falls.
Marriott on the falls.
Yeah, on the falls.
What is one called? On the falls?
Yeah, Marriott on the falls. The one over there is Marriott by the Falls Spa.
By the falls and on the falls.
This one's on the falls.
I think
People are honking.
yesterday we can go there. There, guys.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, we can go there. We can hop. Is it that
It's
one?
pretty long too. It's like,
Yeah.
it's been 2 minutes.
Yes, they said that we can go there.
Yung sa US color din yung ganda no?
I think so.
Yung
Yeah.
falls nila.
That's US colors.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. So the one that we can see here is the US already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one in the red and green.
Over on that other side is US.
Yeah.
Because the bridge is, the Rainbow Bridge is the nearest to us.
Oh, nice. That's
And there's more. Water.
so nice.
I think this goes on for,
How many minutes is that? 5?
it's probably 5.
Okay. Yeah, I think because I have already.
So ano oras yung ride natin bukas?
Tomorrow I think it starts at 9:30.
Yeah.
Ferry din. It's a ferry.
Yeah, the boat. Yeah, we will cruise 9:30. Wow, that's nice, Dexa. Did you see that color? What color?
Oh, yellow,
Oh, that one.
green, and pink. Pink.
Thank you, Ate, for taking that video.
Yeah, I think it's 5 minutes because the first video I took was 2:40, and this one's already has 1. 3 minutes so far. 3:50.
Ooh, that's nice. Oh,
Shiny.
wow, that's nice, guys. That's a wow.
I think this one's the final. 'Cause it's good.
It's final?
Yeah, I think it's because it's good.
Yeah, I think it's a whole 5 minutes.
The whole 5 minutes.
Yeah, every day. That's really generous. I wonder if it's a US or Canadian side that launches it. Or they share.